BMW has showcased a fully faired version of the G310R. Named G310RR, the bike borrows its design cues from the S1000RR Superbike, which includes the sharp front, gills on the fairing, and the narrow tail section. The bike is said to be light in weight for a bike of its size because of the extensive use of carbon fiber. The most interesting aspect of the G310RR is the position of the exhaust. The bike's exhaust is located just below the seat. Riding posture of the G310RR is also sportier compared to the G310R, and it has a lower handlebar and a slightly rear foot pegs. Maruti has introduced a new, more feature-laden lineup of the SCross. Additional features in the new Maruti SCross include rear parking sensors, a speed alert system, and a passenger seat belt reminder. These features are now standard across the entire SCross range. Apart from these, the mid-spec Delta trim gets a smart key feature with push-button start, automatic climate control, cruise control, rear wash wiper, and auto-folding mirrors with integrated turn indicators. With these additional features, new base price for the SCross is now Rs 8.85 lakhs as opposed to the 8.61 lakhs earlier, and it now goes up to Rs 11.45 lakhs. It has been 2 decades since Hyundai ventured into the Indian market, and on this special occasion, the makers have unveiled a new Hyundai Verna Anniversary Edition. This new edition will be available in 2 external colors. While the interiors will be all black, in addition to it will also have new front and rear 4-brushed aluminium skid plates and a lot more. Besides extra special cooled front seats, this edition also includes a stylish sunroof. The Hyundai Verna Anniversary Edition will be available in petrol as well as diesel variants. And as parts of the celebrations, the makers are also offering quite a few freebies along with from third-party insurance and exchange benefit of Rs 20,000. Now this is quite a lucrative offer, which will be really tough to resist. And although the makers are yet to announce the price, we are sure that they will definitely offer a good bargain. Don't you think so? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. In order to push more sales during the festive season, Datsun has launched a limited edition Redico starting at Rs 3.58 lakhs. The limited edition Redico will come in 2 variants, one with a 0.8-litre engine and another with a 1-litre engine. Changes in the limited edition car include red and black paint, both outside and inside. On the inside, it gets a red and black leather upholstery. Additional features include rear parking sensors and chrome inserts on doors. Two special Nexon variants have been launched by Tata in order to celebrate the car's 1-year anniversary. The new variants are called Cross and Cross Plus, and their prices start from Rs 7.16 lakhs for the petrol variants and Rs 8.09 lakhs for the diesel versions. The cars receive minor cosmetic changes as well as some additional features to distinguish them from the standard variants. Changes on the outside include a new dual-tone black and silver paint scheme with wing mirrors, alloy wheels, and front grille sporting a bright neon green. This bright neon green theme is also carried inside the car. Additional features of the cars include a 4-speaker infotainment system by Harman with Bluetooth compatibility, steering-mounted audio controls, electrically adjustable wing mirrors, and reverse parking sensors. The Cross Plus gets roof rails, power folding wing mirrors, a cooled and illuminated glove box, and an automatic climate control system with rear AC vents. No mechanical changes have been made to the cars. After launching the classic Signals ABS a few days back, Royal Enfield is now gearing up to launch the Himalayan with ABS. We have learnt that the Himalayan with ABS would be priced at Rs 1,80,669, Rs 11,000 more than the standard Himalayan version. On-road price of the Himalayan ABS will be around Rs 2,18,693 because of changes in two-wheeler insurance policy of the IRDAI. Apart from the addition of BAS, no mechanical or cosmetic changes will be made to the bike. The Marazzo MPV has been launched by Mahindra starting at Rs 9.99 lakhs and going up to Rs 13.90 lakhs. The MPV would be made available in both 7 and 8-seater versions and in 4 trims. The design of the Marazzo is inspired from sharks in all aspects. It gets a shark-inspired grille, new LED headlights, triangular fog lamps, C-shaped LED tail lights, and 17-inch black-finished alloy wheels. Features include ABS with EBD and brake assist, 2 airbags, and ISOFIX child seat mounts as standard across all variants. Top-end features include rear parking camera and parking sensors. The Marazzo is powered by Mahindra's new 121 HP 1.5-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, which comes mated to a 6-speed manual transmission. Want to see what the Russian president, one of the most powerful men in the world, travels in? Russian car maker Auris has unveiled the Senate and the Senate limousine at the Moscow Auto Show, which will serve as the state vehicle in Russia, meaning it would be used as the official car for the Russian President Vladimir Putin. The car, according to its maker, offers uncompromising level of ballistic and explosive protection. The car was developed by NAMI, Russia's Central Scientific Research, Automobile and Automotive Engine Institute, at the behest of Putin, who felt that Russia should develop its own presidential vehicles. The Senates are powered by a Porsche and NAMI-developed 4.4-litre V8 hybrid engine, which produces peak power of 598 HP and does 0 to 100 km per hour in less than 6 seconds. The non-armored version of the Senate Limo, which will be marketed all across Russia, will come with 6.6-litre V12 producing a staggering 859 HP peak output. Auris is planning to produce 150 of these vehicles in 2019 and 2020, while increasing the production to 5,000 a year after that.